Now we go straight to the next, and that's number 30. In the diagram, NR is the diameter, angle MNR is equal to x, and angle SRN is equal to 5x plus 20 degrees. Find the value of 2x. Let's find x first. This angle RMN is a right angle, and the reason for that is angle in a semicircle. We can see that. So that simply means, now if RMN is 90 degrees, we know that this angle SRN, which is 5x plus 20, is an exterior angle to triangle RMN. So that means angle SRN, which is 5x plus 20, is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. The sum of opposite interior angles, and that's 90 plus x. That's a rule. There's a theorem that says that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles, and that simply means 5x minus x equals 90 minus 20, which means 4x equals 70, and that means x is 70 divided by 4. X equals 70 divided by 4, and that's 17.5. X is 17.5. So 2x is therefore 2 times 17.5, which is 35 degrees. And the correct option is B. Now we go straight to the next, which is number 31. 31. Find the value of alpha in the equation cos alpha plus 14 degrees is equal to sine 4 alpha plus 6 degrees. Sine 4 alpha plus 6 degrees. We know that the cosine of an acute angle, okay, sine, they didn't even tell us whether the angles are acute. Okay, yeah, this relationship only applies to acute angles. So that means the cosine of an acute angle is equal to the sine of the complement of that angle. That's why sine 30 is the same as cos 60. 60 is the complement of 30 degrees. So the sine of 30 degrees will be the same as the cosine of 60 degrees. And the cosine of 30 degrees is the same as the sine of 60 degrees. So that means alpha plus 14 is going to be the same as 90 minus 4 alpha plus 6. And that means alpha plus 14 will be equal to 90 minus 4 alpha minus 6, which means alpha plus 4 alpha. Let me write the alpha here. Well, that's 4 alpha. That means 90. When you take minus 4 alpha to the left hand side, it becomes plus 4 alpha. So that means alpha plus 4 alpha equals 90 minus 6. And when 14 goes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 14. Becomes minus 14. And that means 5 alpha equals 90 minus 6 is 84. 84 minus 14 is 70. And that means alpha equals 70 divided by 5. And that's 14 degrees. Alpha equals 14. Let's just write it as 14. And the correct option is A.